Hello everyone. So now multiple courses are available on our website like CCNA, BGP, Azure Fundamental, 900, Azure Administrator, 104 and OSPF. So all these notes and study material is available. So all the PDF file available regarding these two. So you can download the PDF after purchase for CCNA. You can download and purchase for the BGP. You can purchase the notes for the Azure Fundamental 900, and you can purchase the notes for the AZ 104 in PDF and also OSPF in PDF. Okay, so all these notes are available in PDF format, and the point to be noted is that currently we are having an offer that is 80% off ongoing these days. So here we got it 80% off on all the notes. Use code new80 during the payment. After that you will got 80% off on every single purchase of the notes. Let me show you how. Like you are purchasing the CCNA notes, click over here, and in payments you only have to click over here, put the code new 80 for 80% discount on each and every single courses.